Say that again?
So I have bad news. I don't eat my entire bowl at once anymore.
Oh no. Dietary reasons?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll make do. How do you know when you're at a third?
I don't know. Just kind of guess.
So it's not an exact science.
Nope. Not yet, anyways.
It's getting there.
How come you never get Chipotle?
Can't afford it.
$10?
Yep. I usually stick with white bread. And that's it.
Why white bread?
It's the cheapest bread. Maybe if I'm feeling saucy, a bag of ramen. Have you ever been to someone's house and they still, as like their glassware, they use McDonald's cups, like the plastic ones?
That's a good idea, though.
It is.
Why, is that what you use?
Yep. We even just wash off the paper plates, you know. Just make do. We have a lot of carts in our yard from Walmart. You know, those things are gold. Fix them up, sell them back. Make a bundle.
What do you like from McDonald's?
Their cups.
Do you like their nuggets?
No, I actually don't like their nuggets. I like their french fries. What do you like? Oh, a little hiccup.
I like Big Macs. Fries.
I like their Big Macs when they don't oversauce them.
Damn it. So that's about a third.
That's about half, bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn it.
So when do you eat the next serving?
A couple hours.
Okay. It is more healthy. Rather than just eating once a day.
Well, apparently Adam says that one bowl from Chipotle lasts him 3 days.
3 days?
Well, he uses it for 3 I mean, he eats other things throughout the day. But
Oh, okay. That makes a little more sense.
yeah, this is all I eat the entire day.
Mm-hmm.
This is for you, America.
Oh!
All right.
On that note, a dunk, sort of.